from
Yes.
IDBI
Okay.
Bank, Maroda branch.
Yes,
I am
introduce
having, sir,
yourself.
4.5 years. Yes, sir. I'm having 4.5 years of experience in a rural branch where I have been seeing KCC and MSME loans. I have cleared JIB exam. I have also cleared NISM exam. I have also cleared SP composite exam there. And regarding my qualification, I did my post graduation in banking and finance, diploma in banking and finance, and I did my engineering from computer science stream.
In IDBI, you are an assistant manager.
Yes, sir.
So why you are
Okay,
leaving
after
IDBI
that,
Bank?
then your promotion due must be this year. After 4.5 years, I
No,
believe
sir.
your promotion.
Yes, sir. Actually, in IDBI, sir, it takes around 5 years to get a chance. And
So,
in Bank of Maharashtra, this is scale 2. So this is a
Okay.
kind of promotion for me if I get selected here.
Okay, great.
Is
You have
this,
you have already mentioned you are taking care of MSME loans, right?
Yes, sir.
Kindly classify the recent classification of MSME.
Sir, for micro sector, the turnover should be. Sorry, sir, I am confusing right now.
Okay, you take your time. Tell.
Yes, sir. For micro sector, the turnover should be 10 crore. For a small sector, it should be 50 crore, and for a medium sector, it should be 250 crore.
It's not right. You tell me something about emergency credit link guarantee scheme, which has been linked with MSME.
Sir, are you talking about GCL, which was
Yeah.
given in COVID?
Yeah.
Sir, the thing is that what we are doing there, as on 29th February, the outstanding amount, we are taking 20% of that outstanding amount, and we are letting that
Okay,
amount to
great.
customer. And
Yeah,
it
great.
should be in, it should not be in SME 2 category. It should be
Okay.
either 0, 1, or for standard category.
Okay. Can it be given to term loan customers also?
Yes, sir.
Term loan customers also?
Yes, sir. But it should be in MSME category. Like for like, sir, I'm giving the example. Sir, for example, if there is customer, we have given 10 lakh to that customer, and 8 lakh for CC and 2 lakh for term loan. So we can count that amount as well.
So the next the account will be in the nature of term loan or in the nature of CC?
Sir,
The
term
new
loan.
account. What?
Yes, sir.
For how
What
many?
we are doing, sir, there. Sir, what we are
Okay.
doing there.
Okay. I'm getting your point. For how many months or how many years?
Sir, it was for 5 years. One including a moratorium for 12 months.
Okay.
For that period, interest should be served, and from 13th.
Tell me something about scale of finance in KCC.
Scale of finance. Okay, sir. In Maharashtra, in Chandrapur district, for paddy, it is 42,000. Mostly we are
as a whole, what is scale of finance?
Scale of finance, sir, it is decided by DLTC committee for particular crop. Basically, sir, in our area, Chandrapur area, we are doing KCC for paddy crop.
Okay.
And for paddy, the scale of finance is 42,000 rupees
what is Fasal Bima, and what is the cut-off date for Kharif 2021?
Sir, the cut-off date means, sir, right now, sir,
amount should be premium. Yeah, for premium debit.
Yes, sir. I'm coming to that. Sir, till 15th we have to debit the amount from customer, and till 31st July we have to enter in the portal.
You are mentioning the wrong thing. For 31st, the premium should be debited, and for up to 15, the details in the portal.
No, sir. Actually, I have received. Sir, actually, I have received. I have the copy in mobile.
Okay.
The representative told me that by 15 July you have to debit the premium, and by 31st you have to enter in the portal.
You check in the Fasal Bima, it's clearly mentioned 31st July is the last date for premium debit, and another grace 15 days for the portal upload. Okay. You check in the portal.
Yes, sir. I will go through that.
Yeah, 31st July in every year. 31st July is the cutoff date for premium.
Yes, sir. Actually, last year it was 31st July, but the
And it's
representative
every
came
year.
and told me.
It's every
Yeah.
year, not last year. It's every year. Okay. Then why
Yes, sir.
from IDBI to Bank of Maharashtra? I believe if you will get promotion within your organization, it will be better for you compared to Bank of Maharashtra. Then why you are changing from IDBI to Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, the thing is that it requires around 1.5 years to get that opportunity. And in Bank
Okay.
of Maharashtra, if I get selected, then after 1.5 years,
Then
I will think for another 2 years. In that period,
Uh,
sir, I will think about scale 3, not for scale 2.
Okay. Then how you will be beneficial for Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, actually last year my friend have joined Bank of Maharashtra, and
How
they
you
were
will be
happy.
beneficial? How you will be
And
beneficial? How Bank
the
of
thing is
Maharashtra
that,
will be
sir,
benefited from you?
yeah, sir, the thing is that I have already handled as a in Maharashtra, sir. KCC keeps holds an importance.
Okay.
And as I have already mentioned that I have worked in KCC and MSME, which is a requirement which comes under PSL category. So
Okay.
I think I can use my knowledge there, and
Hmm.
I will also get exposure to other loans which I am unable to get here in rural branch.
Okay.